There are two possible selections for safe and effective stair and slope descent: dynamic and supported. Dynamic is the same behavior on slopes and stairs that has been in the Genium since it was launched. The flexion resistance remains at the same flexion resistance level during most of stance phase, and then slowly lowers the resistance near the end of stance phase to provoke more toe clearance after toe off. The supported option was developed for bilateral amputees and users who need a little more security while walking down slopes and stairs. When this option is selected, the flexion resistance increases during stance phase as the knee flexion angle increases. That leads to a slower and more controlled descent.